congratulations. Recently na i-launch na talaga, ipinakilala nyo na, isinilang nga,
Yes.
'di ba? Yung Fire and Ice Entertainment.
Yes.
Anong nararamdaman mo?
Alam mo, honestly, when we were preparing for that launch, parang it felt like a normal day. Pero pag sampa ko ng stage and seeing everyone there, parang, hala, oh my gosh, uy, totoo na ito. Alam mo yun, parang hala, patay. Parang hanggang ngayon, parang it still feels surreal na this is something kasi that, Liza and I really, birthed together.
Totoo.
Diba? So parang, ang sarap lang na after 3 years, tama ba? 2, 3, 4, 5, yeah, almost 4 years na, alam mo yun, we're really growing, we have not just concerts, but now films also, and artists managing na din, and music coming out soon. So, ang sarap lang that, yun nga di ba? Sinasabi ng iba na ang art ay hindi mo pwedeng maging livelihood, but that's not true.
Yes.
It's just a matter of, parang paano mo gagamitin itong talento mo para
Maximize.
How do you maximize? So happy lang kami that, the talent that we both have, kami ni Liza, is actually, employing people also. I'm happy. Iba lang yung pakiramdam. I mean, the stress is there, diba? Pero ito namang work natin, we thrive on stress.
Yes.
Right? So,
Parte.
siya. Parang kapag walang stress yung trabaho, talaga ba?
Parang boring.
Unrealistic.
Diba? I mean, siguro sa ibang work, mag-a-apply siya, but at least sa industriya natin, talagang it's part and parcel. So, talagang happy lang kami na despite the challenges and the struggles, we're on our 4th year now and we're growing strong. So, yeah.
Bongga. Tsaka yung idea, diba? Kaya na pa habang nagkasalita si Ice, sabi ko, alam mo, na-amaze talaga ako dun sa Fire and Ice. You are the ice sa akin. And then you are my fire to my ice, diba? Parang lahat, really falls into place. 'Di ba? Parang hindi siya yung pwedeng, sabi nga natin dito sa atin, sa panahon na parang ang kompetisyon ay talagang malawak, yung
Madugo na
ang
rin.
kompetisyon. Pero 'di ba, yung sa inyo pinaka-isa sa naging susi talaga is yung you believe in the right and perfect timing. Kasi noon kahit na alam niyo nandiyan na ang Fire and Ice, hindi niyo siya basta-basta, sige gawin na natin ngayon na, kailangan na to ngayon na siya. Talagang you waited for the right time.
Yes, totoo yun. Kasi siguro parang kaming naniniwala ni Liza sa, beautiful things take time to shape up. Diba? Mas gusto namin yung, okay, naghintay kami, hindi kami agad nag-launch, pero alam namin na pag nag-launch kami, hindi kami hilaw.
Yes.
Kumbaga, hinog na hinog. Hindi lang yung mga project that we have, pero kami mismo, bilang tao, bilang kumpanya na alam namin, syempre alam natin, di ba, what comes after launch ay, of course, more collaborations. Gusto namin armado kami sa kaalaman, 'di ba? Sa kalidad na meron na kaya naming ibigay dun sa magiging mga kapartners namin. So, we made sure of that. Kumbaga, the first 3 years were all learning. Kahit pa masabi natin naglalabas kami ng concerts and everything, pero lahat 'yon ay learning pa rin. And until now, we are still learning. But hopefully with new partners, with more people that we will be collaborating with, mas marami kaming matutunan pa.